Welcome. In today's video, we will be going over how to personalize the product page layout on our AdLister store. Once we have logged into AdLister and the dashboard loads up, we will click on the Products tab so that we can navigate to the product page layout editing page. This is accessed by clicking on the black Setting button on the right-hand side. After we click on Settings, a pop-up window appears that has our predefined product page layout settings on it. Under Default Settings, we have the option of defining the size of the thumbnails. We can define by which product details we can sort the products by, and the view that we want to view the products by. By default, the list view gives you the most detailed view of the products. Below, we have the columns that we can have enabled on the products page layout. The ones that are already ticked are the ones that are enabled by default, but we have the option of adding extra details to the product view if we wish to. Last but not least, we can enable filters on the products page by ticking on one of the filter options. For this example, let's tick the price range filter and save. As we can see, this refreshes the page, and above the product page layout, we will see an option to define the price range we want to see the products by. Another thing to mention is that these settings are also available on our listings page, so we can edit the layout there as well, as we did on the products page. That about covers all the possible options you can have enabled on the products page layout. I hope the video gave you some insight on how to manage your product page layout. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our website in the link below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.